subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The TCL 30V 5G is now official in the US in partnership with Verizon. Talking about the specifications. The TCL 30V 5G features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display with a standard 60Hz refresh rate, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 chipset, paired with Adreno 619 GPU, and it packs with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage that can be expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the TCL 30V 5G supports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50MP main camera along with the 5MP ultra wide angle lens plus 2MP macro lens, and for selfies it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top center. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 out of the box with TCL US skin on top, and it is backed by a large 4500 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G with C-band 5G support for optimal high-speed coverage, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.8 by 73.6 by 9.1mm, and it weighs around 200 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The TCL 30V 5G has been priced in the US at $299, and it is now available exclusively via Verizon in the country in midnight grey color option. So what do you guys think of this TCL 30V 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.